The next concept is to find a circle passing through three non-collinear points. Now we know that 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on same line. Otherwise they are non-collinear. Remember that non-collinear points, 3 non-collinear points always form a triangle. Now here you can see A, B, C are 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points always form a triangle like this. Now we need to find a circle passing through those 3 points. Remember that there exists exactly one circle passing through those 3 non-collinear points. That circle is the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. So we are going to find that circumcircle of triangle ABC. Now let AX1 Y1, BX2 Y2, CX3 Y3 be the 3 given points. 3 given points. Now they have, suppose that they have given 3 points. You have to find a circle passing through those 3 given points. Now we consider required circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we consider our required circle as the general form of the circle. So we are going to form that circle. So in this circle you need to find 3 arbitrary constants. In this circle you are going to find 3 constants. They are G, F, C. If you can find those 3 values, you will get the circle. Now it is given that this circle is passing through AX1 Y1, BX2 Y2 and CX3 Y3. Suppose it is passing through AX1 Y1. That means the point satisfies this circle, and that means you can substitute the point in this circle. X1 square plus Y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. You will get an equation 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to minus of x1 square plus y1 square. Let it be equation 2. Now this circle again passing through BX2 Y2. So it is passing through BX2 Y2. Again you have to substitute that point in that circle. You will get another equation 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c is equal to minus of x2 square plus y2 square, which is equation 3. Again it is passing through CX3 Y3. So it is passing through CX3 Y3. You will get another equation like 2gx3 plus 2fy3 plus c is equal to minus of x3 square plus y3 square. Let it be equation 4. Now you have 3 equations, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. And clearly you have 3 unknowns, G, F, C. You have 3 equations and you have 3 unknowns. If the number of unknowns and number of equations are equal, you can solve them. And you can find those values G, F, C. So now by solving 2, 3 and 4, we get G comma That is the method. So by solving those G, F and C, you will get the values of G, F, C, and then you are going to substitute those G, F, C in this equation 1, so that you will get the equation of circle passing through those three non-collinear points. Find the equation of the circle passing through the three given points. So 1, comma 2, 3, comma minus 4 and 5, comma minus 6. We have to find the equation of the circle passing through those three given points. To find the circle, we consider the required circle in general form. So let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle passing through capital A 1, comma 2, B 3, comma minus 4 and C 5, comma minus 6. Now this circle is passing through the given points, so let us substitute those 3 points one by one in the given circle. So it is passing through capital A 1, comma 2. So by substituting that point, you will get 1 plus 4 plus 2z plus 4f plus c equal to 0. So 2z plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5. Let it be equation 1. Again it is passing through B 3, comma minus 4. Substitute that point, you will get 9 plus 16 plus 6g minus 8f plus c equal to 0. So 6g minus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. Let it be equation 2. Now again this circle is passing through C 5, comma 6. 5, comma minus 6. So it is passing through C 5, comma minus 6. Substitute that point. 25 plus 36 plus 10g minus 12f plus c is equal to 0. So 10g minus 12f plus c is equal to minus 61. Let it be equation 3. Now you have 3 equations and 3 unknowns g, comma f, comma c. So by solving these 3 equations, you will get g, f, c, and therefore you substitute those values in the required circle. Now first of all, we eliminate c from these equations. So let us consider equation 3 minus equation 1. And remember to do the same procedure in each problem, and they will be easy to solve. Now 3 minus 1. What is 3 here? 10g minus 12f plus c is equal to minus 61. 1. Equation 1 is 2z plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5. By subtracting, you will get 8g minus 16f, c will be cancelled, is equal to minus 56. So g minus 2f is equal to minus 7. Let it be equation 4. And again consider equation 3 minus equation 2. So 10g minus 12f plus c is equal to minus 61. Equation 2 is 6g minus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. Now by subtracting, you will get 4g minus 4f, it is plus, it is minus, c will be cancelled, is equal to minus 36. So G minus F is equal to minus. So solving 4 and 5 by using cross multiplication rule. G F1 minus 2, 7, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 9, 1 minus 1. You will get G by minus 18 plus 7 is equal to F by 7 minus 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1 plus 2. So G is equal to minus 11. F is equal to minus 2. Now substitute G comma F in equation 1. From equation 1, 2Z plus 4F plus C is equal to minus 5. Substitute J comma F in this equation, you will get minus 22, 2 into minus 11, minus 8 plus C is equal to minus 5. So C will be 25. 30 minus 5, 25. Now therefore, required circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into, what is G here, minus 11 into x plus 2 into minus 2 into y plus 25 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. This is the required circle. You can verify your answers by substituting the given points in the circle. Next, another important concept, concyclic points. 4 points A, B, C, D are said to be concyclic if they lie on same circle. That is the concept. If 4 points are said to be concyclic, they have to lie on same circle. So you can see these type of points. Clearly you can see the 4 points lies on the circle. These points very important model. They will ask you as a 7 marks question. So see this. Show that the 4 points are concyclic and find a circle passing through them. The given 4 points are 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8. So to find the circle passing through 4 points, first you have to find a circle passing through the given 3 points. If the 4th point satisfies that circle, then the 4 points are concyclic and that will be the required circle. Let capital A 1, 1, B minus 6, 0, C minus 2, 2 and D minus 2, minus 8 be the given 4 points. Now let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle passing through those 4 points. Now we substitute 3 points, any 3 points in the circle, we get 3 equations. By solving those 3 equations, we are going to get G, F, C values. So it is passing through 1, 1, capital A 1, 1, you will get 1 plus 1 plus 2z plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 2z plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. That is the equation 1. And again it is passing through B minus 6, 0. So by substituting that point, you will get 36 plus 0 minus 12g plus 0 into f plus c is equal to 0. So you will get minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. Let it be equation 2. And again it is passing through c minus 2 comma 2. Substitute this point, we will get 4 plus 4 minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. So minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. Let it be equation 3. So you have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. Let us solve them. So first consider equation 3 minus equation 1. Equation 3 is minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. What is equation 1? 2z plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. Now you get minus 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 and it will be plus. So minus 6g plus 2f is equal to minus 6. So minus 3g plus f is equal to minus 3. Let it be equation 4. Now again consider equation 3 minus equation 2. So minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. What is equation 2? Minus 12g plus 0. F is not there, so I have written 0 plus c is equal to minus 36. So minus side will be plus, minus, plus. C will be cancelled. So 4g plus 8g. 8g plus 4f is equal to 28. So 2z plus f is equal to 7. Let it be equation 5. Now by solving those two equations you will get g comma f. So solving 4 and 5. Equation 4 and equation 5. G f 1. 1 3 minus 3 1 1 minus 7 2 1. So g by minus 7 minus 3 is equal to f by 6 minus 21 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus 2. So g by minus 10 is equal to f by minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 5. So finally g is equal to 2 times it will be cancelled and f is equal to 3. Now to find the value of c, let us substitute g comma f in equation 1. So from equation 1 implies that 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus c is equal to minus 2. So c is equal to minus 2 minus 4 plus 6, 10. So minus 10. So c will be minus 12. Now the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx. G is 2, so you will get 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. That is required circle. But you have to find a circle passing through 4 points. These 4 points lies on same circle if the fourth point satisfies this circle. So consider minus 2 comma minus 8 on this circle. Now it will be 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. So you will get 68 minus 68, that is 0. Now clearly you can see fourth point lies on this circle. Therefore A, B, C, D are concyclic. They are the given points. They are concyclic, and this is the required circle passing through those 4 points. Very important